Welcome to our Grab and Go series. Today we are going to do a word building exercise using Pink Object Box 4. This exercise reinforces the sounds of the letters of the alphabet. It will also teach the child that words are made up of letter sounds, and most importantly, it will also help to develop the child's vocabulary. So let us watch the presentation. Judy, today we are going to do a word building exercise using our Object Box 4. Are you ready? Let's look at the objects that we have. Oh, I have an animal here. Do you know the name for this animal?
Ox.
It's an ox. That's right. Would you like to place the ox over here? So let us make the word ox. So what sound can you hear when I say ox? Very good. Ox.
Oh.
Well done, Judith. Shall we sound the letters together?
Ox.
One more time.
Ox.
Shall we read the word?
Ox.
Yes, Judith. Whoa, look, it spins. Do you know what we call this?
Top.
It's a top. That's right. Have you played with a top before? Yes, you do. Do you enjoy playing with the top?
Yes.
Let's make the word top.
Top.
Very good. So what other sounds can you hear when I say top?
Oh.
Oh, very good, Judith. Top.
Pop.
Yes, well done. Let's sound the letters together. T.
Oh. P.
One more time.
T. Oh. P.
Let's read the word.
Top.
Look at this, Judith. Do you know what is this?
Cot.
This is a cot. And do you know what is a cot for?
For the babies to sleep.
Yes, this is actually the baby's special sleeping place. Yeah, we call it a cot. So let's make the word cot. Cot.
Oh.
Oh. So what other sounds can you hear when I say cot? T. Cot. Cot. K. Very good, Judith. So let us sound the letters together again.
Ot. Cot.
Cot. Cot. That's right. Shall we read the words together?
Ox. Ot. Top. Ot. Cot.
Well done, Judith. For more videos, follow us on all our social media platforms. See you again.